Good morning. Well, it's morning where I am. I'm Harold. I just got a Tiger Triumph XCA. Have not seen many videos on installing much of anything on these things yet. This is a 2018 model. It's new to me. I traded in my Triumph Tiger 800 XRX. Love the brand of bike and want to continue riding it, so I get to start putting all the stuff I took off my XRX onto here. And I'm going to start with putting on the light harness and getting that situated, so when I figure out where I want to put them in a little bit, I can just plug and play and go ahead. I'll mount the switch and everything and have it all ready just to snap in somewhere underneath here. So I'll adjust the camera and we'll get started. Okay, first off, just battery check. Battery here, got my cable, wiring harness from the old bike. I'm going to put a dual intensity connector on here. So obviously I'm starting out here. Good place for all of this. I'm just going to kind of gently get this in here. And I've already kind of looked, and I think I want to go up this right side because there's less of everything on here. So that means fun, because I've never taken one of these things off. So, get the wiring harness back out of here, and we will start removing this side, which I've never done, so it should be enjoyable. Or not. Who knows? Hopefully I got the right, hey, look at there. I'm just going to start here. There's 5mm Allen wrench. Got a washer on it. No, it's not a washer, it's a grommet. Okay. And let's see, where should we go next? It's looking like all this has got to start coming up too. Ugh. I think most everything I'm taking off today is going to be a 5mm. Now I should be back. I think there's one.
Up here, possibly. I think that's holding anything on there. I think my next one is the top here. This is one between the forks. Looks like. Yeah, so. This has to come off. So it's going to need a bucket. On the 5mm bolt. There's Allen. This one off. I think I do. The Triumph 800 had a few less of these to take off. This is a bigger bike. A few more fasteners. And then somebody out there was going to say you didn't have to take all of these off. You could have just done blah, 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 XXX and gotten there from here. But I need to learn how to take these off anyway. One, two more up here. Reason for all the, my legs make it. We're going to wear all of the long sleeve stuff and with skiers country here. We also live on a great motorcycle road, so just about every day you get to hear motorcycles coming by our house. You put that out of the way. This one's totally blind. Oh wait, I don't need to do that one. That's the one being held on it. Maybe these two small ones here. Alright, guess I need to take out those two small ones. They look like 3, I believe. That's everything else on the Triumph, but 3. Seems counterintuitive to have to take this one off, but I've never done it, so bear with me. Seems like you should be able to pop this off without having to take this out. Or, yeah, this is the last little keepsake for Triumph. They keep you active and thinking, you know. Oh, look there. Had to take it off. Good job. Got that. So, you have to take this little pretty plate off. Put my head back on. Or most of the way back on anyway. Keep the back of my neck from getting killed. Oh, there's a fancy car there. No. Huh. slide those. Okay, and there's a cut, one more cut. Alright, then I gotta take that top one off too. Surprise, surprise. This one has to come up as well. Hang on. I don't think that one should have had to come out, but... Is that rubber on it? All you're good? Oh my gosh, there's another one way down in there. Yep, looks like it. Ah, right, there's a, so all you have done it. Oh, dang. I'm gonna drop you back in here. There's one more here. Alright. Okay. Alright. Yay. Whew, that was a whole lot there. Alright, that's a lot of that. Alright. I'm just gonna pop you back into here because it looks like one you're gonna miss. You can just leave it right there. Get the side nail straight. Hey. Alright. So upside down, upside up, upside out. What are we doing here? Oh, yeah. Alright. We'll figure this out in a minute.
Okay, so back in live action. This piece here, I was fretting over. You push down on it and pull out. This little slide connector right there. And just another push button right there, and it's got an up arrow on it. Like, really? Alright, that's that. So, let's route some wire. Here we go. You stay behind and both y'all come with me. So, I'm going to leave you there. Because that'll be a good place for you. Obviously so. You going on this side. You can just leave you sitting right here with the that. So around here. Go right beside y'all. Looking really, really good. Y'all in place right now because I'm not actually going to hook it up quite yet. When I do, we will. Oh, look at there. That's going to be a beautiful spot for you. Okay. Let's start wrapping these wires up and through. I don't know how far I'm going to get with my switch wire before it needs to be. Switch is going over there. Just a hard one to get over there because that's where the main wire feed goes. And we got a little built-in wire pulley. think so. So, what do? We go below. We don't want to go below, so I am kind of stuck. I figure. Okay, I'm back. I tried several different attempts to get it through here, but routing it down underneath here, up above here, this beautiful thing's in the way, but I'm glad it's in the way. Keep stuff out. Around it up here, you wind up on top of the radiator cooling hose, and it's just not a good idea. So I took everything out, and now I know how to take this side apart. So I'm going to put this side back together. Hello again, I'm back. So after much consideration, trying to get this through, undo this, put it back up here, get it out of the way, undo all 4 of the bolts and this sides, lift this up and feed it through this way because there's less to do, and push it down. There is a gap right back in here. You can see by that thing there, by that connector, there's a gap that you can push the 2 leads, the switch lead and the light leads down, and then push in this guy. I had to take the top off so it gave it more room, and then gently feed it through. I used a Allen wrench to push it down and keep it going backwards through the holes, and laid it out here, so that'd be a perfect place, plenty of open space. These are just going to get dropped down in here in the seat for now. They're not going to hurt anybody. And then I just ran it up. I tried to get it up in down here in between all this. I just couldn't, so I ran it back up, and it goes up there. You can easily reach your hand around there. And then for the time being, I'm just going to leave them tucked up out of the way, up in behind the cowling here, which has your little port in it. That way I can easily get to it, and eventually I'll take this little side bit off and run it all through here so that they're nice and conveniently coming out and not coming out through like weird holes and stuff, and hook it up later. So, all right, now put this side back together.